Well, hey everyone, Dave Cook with Anthony. We're going to see Will here in a second. I think I got a dirty lens. There. So we are working in a house here in Elgin, and you can kind of see it's an older house, all plaster. A lot of stuff has been rebuilt over the years, so we're trying to fix the cracks and just kind of make them look better than what they were. The closet in there had a bunch of areas where it got fixed, and in the corners we're doing some caulk work just to kind of fill in some of the gaps. And then the walls itself, filling in cracks. And then some of the other rooms, there's a couple rooms in the house for now, and then hopefully move into the first floor, I think midsummer. There's another room we're doing. There's the closets. We're just got the first coat of stuff on there now. And then there's some of the cracks that we've been fixing. But in here, like the ceiling, you can still kind of see where some of the older repairs have been made, but it leads to the kind of character of the house. It's kind of cool. And now we're gonna go see what Will's doing. Hey, there's Will.
How's it going?
Hey, you gonna come out of the closet?
One of these days.
So there's some more repairs he's done in here. And then again, a little bit of ceiling repair here and there. Accent color, regular color, both all the rooms. So just a way we can help you in your house. Plaster repairs. Some of them look great, some of them not. Just kind of depends what you're looking to do and your budget. Budget determines everything. So if you got questions on repainting, plaster work, repairs, painting in your closet, what we can do and how we can help you, give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.